Imagine living on steak, eggs, and bacon. Imagine eating those three foods for dinner. Imagine eating those for lunch, even for breakfast. But imagine not eating anything else. No vegetables, no fruits or carbohydrates. Sounds like torture to some. Sounds like heavens to others. But actually, living like that, that's what those are following the carnivore diet are living. The carnivore diet is an uncommon, it's in fact a plateau of keto and fasting. The carnivore diet is quite frankly the same to other diets besides the vegetables and no carbs. Researching into other articles or studies will allow us to see what we're up against. In fact, there's actually not a lot of terms in diets that are quite like the carnivore diet. They are actually one of the strictest diets in the world. The carnivore diet is a high protein diet consisting only of zero carbohydrates, which include animal products, exclusively like beef, fish, eggs, and dairy. Those who opt of the diet exclude fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and anything that's bread-like. You cannot consume them. They believe that our ancestry diet was rich in meat. Processed carbohydrates or sugars cause diseases like obesity and diabetes. Some famous doctors like Sean Baker, who was an orthopedic surgeon himself before turning to his diet's benefits, he among others like Jordan Peterson, I believe, observed improvements in his health conditions after adopting an exclusive meat diet. Now that we are all caught up on the carnivore diet, we can discuss the effective for some people. Using the carnivore diet is huge benefit to the diet concerning one's health. According to the Journal of Health of 2022, it improves weight loss, digestion, energy, and reduced swelling for those who do the diet and meat only. Users demonstrated improving in terms of clarity of thinking, mood, and consuming diets. One possible explanation for these improvements could lie in the fact that the lower carbohydrates in one's diet means lower blood sugar and just better health overall. Eating one meat lies in lack of common allergies found in diet consisting of other foods, including gluten, soy, and I believe it's called triggers among people with digestion problems. We cannot forget and address both sides of the debate. In fact, we will move to address the real health dangers. Although some online forums are filled of eating only meat, nutritional diets, and consisting of plant-based products, as reported by a Harvard study in 2024, fruits and vegetables supply our bodies with vital nutrients like vitamin C, fibers, and antioxidants. These are crucial components in our diet because they are important to combating heart-related problems and cancer. World Health Organization explains that consuming large quantities of red or processed meat increases our body's fluid. So this helps with cancer. Can you afford to continue with a diet consisting purely of meat? Can you really avoid eating plant food? For today's lesson, we've understood that the carnivore's diet is what makes other people want to opt in this diet because of the medical beneficiaries and the overall health improvement in your life. I've actually done the carnivore diet before, and I saw a huge uptake in my energy, mood, and I just felt great overall. So in short, whether you eat meat or plant or both, these are two options that you get to choose. And realistically, the carnivore diet isn't going to be a lot healthier than eating vegetables and staying on the keto diet, but the carnivore diet will help you get to weight goals. If you're sick, if you're dealing with diabetes. In short, whether you eat meat or plants or both, there's only one intended goal And that's to sustain the diet and better improve your health in the end. Thank you. My name is Joshua Gonzalez.